Alrighty everyone, so I have you here in my zinnia patch. It is young right now, so they're just starting to bloom. We can see the plants coming in, and this one's about to form its petals. This one's pretty much ready to cut, so when I do that, I'll come in here, and depending how long I want the stem, then that's how long I'll have it. For the moment, we're just gonna cut here. We're gonna make little bud vases with these, so we're gonna just do that, and then we're cleaning them. So we're done harvesting our flowers, and now we're gonna start assembling them into our little bud vases that we have here. These are all the flowers that are fresh grown here at the farm, and it's always a pleasure assembling our little bud vases so that customers can enjoy. And there we have it, a little bud vase for you to take home.